From 0 to JLPT N5, this is lesson 51. So today we will talk about these two important expressions, nanika and nanimo. Nanika means something, and this is used in a question or in an affirmative sentence. Nanimo means anything, and this is used in a negative sentence. So, this is the meaning. Once again, nanika means something, and this is used in positive or question sentences. For example, did you eat something today? Or did you do something on the weekend? And so on. Nanimo, on the other hand, means anything, and this is only used in negative sentences. For example, I didn't eat anything. I didn't do anything. Like that. So let me show you example on how to use those nanika and nanimo. First example. Did you eat something today? 今日何か食べましたか? So after 何か no particle needed. You can just throw them in before the verb. And in English it could be anything. Did you eat anything today, right? So 何か can be either anything or something, but in a question or positive sentences. Next example. I didn't eat anything. 何も食べませんでした. No particle needed after 何も. And 何も can only be used in a negative sentence like this. So with this in mind, I'd like you to do this exercise. This is a conversation between A and B. Translate the sentences using nanika and nanimo. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. Did you do something on the weekend, or did you do anything on the weekend? 週末何かしましたか? So something or anything in a question and positive sentence is 何か and no particle needed. No, I didn't do anything. いいえ、何もしませんでした. So anything in a negative sentence is 何も. And once again, no particle needed. So now please repeat after me. 週末何かしましたか? いいえ、何もしませんでした. Let's look at one more pair. Did you buy something or anything at the convenience store? コンビニで何か買いましたか? Something, anything in a question and positive sentence is 何か and again, no particle needed. No, I didn't buy anything. いいえ、何も買いませんでした. Anything in a negative sentence is 何も no particle needed. So now please repeat after me. コンビニで何か買いましたか? いいえ、何も買いませんでした. Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Please translate the sentences into Japanese using nanika and nanimo, and put your answers in the comment below. I will check and collect your homework. So very good job today as always. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me anytime and I will be very happy to answer your questions. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。